I'm jumping Barbies. Okay. This is jumping Barbies. Let's watch. Don't come over here. Hey, look at me. I'm in the beach. Woo. And I'm jumping. Look at me. I'm jumping. Awesome bees. Cool bees. Help! 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 What's wrong, Barbie? Help! Help!
What's wrong, Barbie?
Somebody, I'm robbing my house. Okay.
I go stop them. I love you.
Hi!
I found
She's
her.
the robber. She is the robber.
You're going to jail. Bye.
Boyfriend. What?
Nothing, right?
Boyfriend. Baby, rob me again. Okay,
I'll stop her. There you go.
friend. Let's go for the cheerleaders and see them fight.
Of course, I love you.
Let's go.
go.
The cheerleaders fighting.
Oh, it's such a fun day at the beach. Then all of a sudden,
Earthquake! Earthquake! Wait, stop jumping. Run! Save your life! Save your life! Run! Save your life!
That's your heel.
Oh no, Say! Go! Run, guys! Allergic! Earthquake! Can somebody help? Please! Can somebody help me?
This show is boring.
Let me sing a song for you.
I love you, Ken.
Now that you know that I'm just you, that you love me more, that you know that I'm you. Oh, babe, that you know that I love you. Baby. Get the boy, cause they can kill.
I'm coming.
Okay, now let's go to part 2.
Please watch part 2. Comment, rate, and subscribe.
No, go to a date.
Okay.
Wait, from ours, so we can move together.
Sparkly. Fine.
Now, you know what to do. Yes.
Whoa. Don't see this.
I want to try now. Okay, here we go again. Hurry, do one.
Jump. Ow.
That's enough. Did you know that my boyfriend is kissing with the other girl, and that ain't fair. So
I love you.
that's a lot, Mimi. Yeah, that's a lot.
It's his turn.
Do it record. Go. Look, she's putting it because we cannot see.
Oh, cause it's showing. Yeah, that's right.
Let's go. It's I love you, cat. It's what I love you.
Says,
I love you, Abby, you cat. I don't want you anymore. I love her. Oh, get off of me! You did that to me.
Put it over.
I don't care. I never really liked you anyways. Ooh, that girl's pretty. I like her.
I'm bad.
I don't care. You ditched me. You nincompoop! Oh, you said a bad word, Barbie! No, I didn't. That's not a bad word. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Shut up! I feel like making an earthquake. Earthquake!
Boyfriend. You found the perfect girl. And I'm just gonna be with
Mama! School, your face is on.
You're gonna be the perfect one with me.
Jumping around! Boyfriend, look what you did. What?
Your face was about to
Okay,
show.
stop. Now, stop it.
Wait.
Stop it.
Wait!
Cut.
Wait!
Can you feel me when I think about you? With every breath I take